Yes, welcome my people. Today we are going to learn on Igbo Gist TV how to give commands in Igbo language, how to use Igbo language to give commands, okay? We're going to be using the letters of the alphabet, okay? Now the letter A in Igbo, this says A and it connotes negative in giving command. When you see A, so we're going to combine it with the other words, okay? Now the verb we are going to look at bia, bata, and banye. All right, these are commands already. Bia, bata, banye, they're already commands. Bia, come. All right, bata, enter, and banye, okay, also enter inside. So you have bata nulo, that is a command, enter the house. Bieba is also a command, come here. All right, and banye nulo, which is also a command, enter into the house. Now for you to form the negative, you have a, the alphabet A plus the verb and then plus la. All right, so that makes a negative command. So we're going to see bia, bia. When I add a, abiala, you see, abiala. Don't come, bia, come. Bata, with a plus la, it becomes abatala, abatala. Don't come inside, okay? And banye, that's enter. Okay, abanyela, don't enter. Abanyela, don't enter. All right, that is a negative command. So, bieba, come here. Bieba, come here. With the a plus la becomes abialeba. Don't come here. Abialeba. All right, batanulo, that's enter into the house. With the a plus la becomes abatala nulo. Don't enter into the house. All right, banye nubala, enter into the car. So you add the a plus la, becomes abanyela n'ụgbọala. Don't enter into the car. All right, so we're going to look at the alphabet. After B is chi, chi. All right, chi, that's the alphabet, chi. So we have cho. Cho is the command, cho, search. All right, choya, search for it. Choya. So with the a plus la, you have acholaya. Don't search for it. Acholaya. All right. So, and then we have the other one, chuo. Chuo is send away. Send away, like someone is in a job, you send the person away. Choya noru. So, chuoha, send them away. Chuoha, send them away. With the a plus la, achulaha. Be careful, they all goes. Achulaha, don't send them away. We have chupo. Also send them, like things, send them away, animals. Chupo nkịta ahụ, send that animal away. Now the negative will be achupula, don't send away. Achupula. So achupula nkịta ahụ, don't send that dog away. Achupula nkịta. So the letter D in Igbo, the next alphabet, D, do. Do is stretch. Doyaka, stretch it. Stretch it, doyaka. The negative, adolaya, don't stretch it. All right, so adolayaka, don't stretch it. Duo, duo, that is to like duoyodu, advise, to advise someone. Duoyodu, advise him. So the negative, adolayodu, adolayodu. The letter E also, it's a vowel, so it doesn't have any command, but also combines with the verb to give you negative. Now watch out, the E plus the verb plus la will give you also negative command. So we're going to start also with the letter B again. We have bido, bido, ebidola, ebidola, bido, bido nisi, start from the beginning. Ebidola nisi, okay, ebidola. Bilie, get up. Bilie, stand up. Now with the a plus la, ebilila, ebilila, don't get up. All right, so chi, for the chi plus e, we have the words like chere, hold on or wait. Chere. All right, like cherem, wait for me. All right, cherem. So with that e, with the e plus the la, we have echelam, echela, echela, don't wait. Echelam, echelam. Cheta, remember. Echetala, don't remember. Don't remember it. Icho echetala ya. If you like, don't remember it. D, the letter D, we have there, right, there, right. So e plus la, we give edela. Edela, watch out, the second e goes edela, don't write. Okay, so another word, debe, keep. Debe means keep. Debe yeba, keep it here. Keep it here. So when you have the e plus the e plus the la, edebe la yeba, don't keep it here. Edebe la yeba. So another word is die. Die is endure. Die ya, endure it. So when someone is suffering, so in the negative, you have edilaya. Don't endure it. All right, so this is giving command in Igbo language. Just a few words we have brought your way. It's either you use them to give command or advice in Igbo language. Okay, either when the tone will determine what it is, whether it is a command or an advice. So we'll have something for you. In the comment section, please make more expressions with what you have learned so far. Make more expressions in the comment section, and I will correct you there. All right, so please, if you like this video, if it has been useful to you, share it. Okay, and I will see you next time. Dalo imela kemesia.